Classification based on hybridization. On the basis of hybridization of a carbon atom to which the halogen is bonded, means halogen atom where exactly it is attached, that carbon atom hybridization state depends upon that hybridization state. Again they have classified. So first one, if the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, they are classified into alkyl halides, benzyl halides, allylic halides and alicyclic halides. So here they are classified into 4 types. Depends upon halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. They are classified into 4 types. One is alkyl halides, second one is benzyl halides, third one is allyl halide, fourth one alicyclic halide. The first one, alkyl halide. Halogen atom is bonded to alkyl group. Alkyl group. Now you can see the general formula of the alkyl halides is CnH2n plus 1 X. X is nothing but halogen atom. Now these alkyl halides are classified into mainly primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides and tertiary alkyl halides. Now primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides, it is based on halogen atom where it is exactly attached, whether the carbon atom is primary or secondary or tertiary respectively. Now first one, primary alkyl halides. In a primary alkyl halides, halogen atom is attached to carbon atom. That carbon atom is linked to only one carbon atom, either no other carbon atom. You can see here example. Here X is a halogen, it is linked to carbon atom, and that carbon atom is linked to only one alkyl group, means only one carbon atom. Then that carbon is primary carbon atom. That's why it is called primary alkyl halide. It is called primary alkyl halide. You can take one more example, bromoethane or ethyl bromide. So Br is attached to carbon atom. That carbon atom is linked to only one carbon atom, means where Br is linked, that carbon atom is a primary carbon atom. Hence it is called primary alkyl halide. Now secondary alkyl halide. Now you see X is a halogen, it is attached to carbon atom. That carbon atom you see, it is attached to two alkyl groups. 2R, one R is there, 2R, total 2 alkyl group it is attached. R is nothing but again carbon atom only. So here if the carbon atom is linked to 2 other carbon atom means it is called secondary carbon atom. Now halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom means the respective alkyl halide is a secondary alkyl halide. It is a secondary alkyl halide. You can take one more example, 2-bromopropane. So now see bromine. Bromine is attached to carbon atom. That carbon atom is linked to 2 other carbon atoms, CH3, CH3. So that carbon atom is a secondary carbon atom. Hence the alkyl halide is a secondary alkyl halide. Now tertiary alkyl halide. General formula you see, halogen atom is attached to carbon atom. That carbon atom is attached to 3 other alkyl groups. Means the carbon atom is linked to 3 other carbon atoms, or the carbon atom is linked to 3 carbon atoms. It is directly linked to 3 carbon atoms, and that carbon atom we will call it as tertiary carbon atom. Halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Hence the alkyl halide is a tertiary alkyl halide. You can take one more example, tertiary butyl bromide. Now see bromine is there, it is attached to carbon atom. That carbon attached to 3 other carbon atoms. 3 other carbon atoms, CH3, CH3, CH3 is there. So that carbon atom is a tertiary carbon atom and the alkyl halide is a tertiary alkyl halide. Now next one, allylic halide. The halogen atom is bonded to an allylic carbon. Allylic means what? Halogen atom is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and the adjacent carbon atom is linked to double bond. Halogen atom is linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom or saturated carbon atom. The adjacent carbon atom should have a double bond. You can see here allylic chloride we have taken. Cl is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. The adjacent carbon atom is having a double bond. Either you take one more example, 3-bromocyclohexene. Now Br, bromine is attached to carbon atom. That carbon atom, adjacent carbon atom is having a double bond. So it is a allylic halide only. So 3-bromocyclohexene, allylic halide it is. Now next one, benzylic halide. Benzylic halide means the halogen atom is bonded to an benzylic carbon. Now benzylic carbon means benzene ring and sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Benzene ring is linked to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom is called benzyl group. Benzene ring is linked to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom means it is called benzyl group. Now halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That sp3 hybridized benzene ring and sp3 hybridized carbon, we will call it as benzyl. If halogen is linked to that sp3 hybridized carbon atom, then it is called benzyl halide. You can take example here. X is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That carbon atom is directly attached to benzene ring. Now you can take example benzyl chloride. Here also see chlorine is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That carbon atom is directly linked to benzene ring. Then it is a benzyl chloride. It is a benzylic halide. Now again the benzylic halides are also classified into primary, secondary and tertiary, depends upon where the halogen atom is attached. If it is attached to primary carbon atom, then we will call it as primary benzyl halide. If it is attached to secondary carbon atom, then we will call it as secondary benzyl halide. If it is attached to tertiary carbon atom, then we will call it as tertiary benzyl halide. Now, if the halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, then they are classified in mainly two types. One is vinylic halide and one more is aryl halide. Vinylic halide and aryl halide. Now vinylic halide. So depends upon sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So those compounds are classified into two types. One is vinylic halide and one more is aryl halide. So in vinyl halide, the halogen atom is directly linked to the double bond carbon atom, means sp2 hybridized carbon atom. See here, vinyl chloride. Cl is linked to carbon atom. That carbon atom is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, means it is having a double bond. Now you can take one more example. Halocyclohexene. Now halogen is attached to carbon atom. That carbon atom is having a double bond. So it is called vinyl halide. Now next one, aryl halide. Aryl halide means halogen is directly linked to benzene ring. Halogen is directly linked to benzene ring. In benzene ring, the carbon atom is a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. You can take example halobenzene, halotoluene, parabromotoluene. So these are the example for what? Aryl halide. Halogen is directly attached to benzene ring.